Hey, Todd Uminski back today, Friday. Give you a little inspirational thoughts here. Enjoy your day today. Stop worrying about your thoughts from yesterday, problems that you think might happen today that haven't happened. You guys need to get out there and think about your positive life. Think about your day that you're going to have, that's a great day. You're going to find solutions for your issues or anything you're going to do. They're not problems. Just get the solution taken care of. Enjoy your day. Feel blessed. If you're feeling overwhelmed and you're feeling, I hate to say the word depressed or upset or whatever, take a minute. Put your hand over your heart. Think about loved ones in your life. Think about you got to wake up today. Think about you can walk. Think about your kids. There's got to be something in your life that you can think about and be grateful for. So be grateful. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing weekend. Enjoy today. Talk to you soon.